Hello again. Now today's video is not a sponsored video, but it does come from my friends over at DigiWorld in Hanoi. They have supplied me over the years with many phones and lenses and cameras and things that I thought I'd include them in today's video. Right, so this is the Canon EF-M 18 to 150mm and it's 3.5 to 6.3 IS-STM. Okay, so it's got image stabilization. Now this is the little card you get in Vietnam, the warranty card, and as you can see it's got just over a year of warranty, which is good. It's got a very thick instruction manual. I don't think I'll need that. I'm sure it just fits on the same as any other lens. And we have the lens itself, nicely protected in its cardboard and plastic. Right, okay, so this is the lens itself. I got the black one because it goes better with the black camera that I have. Oh, they actually call it gunmetal. So it's a nice lightweight small lens, but it has a great zoom range from 18 to 150. Absolutely great. It's perfect so you can just chuck a small camera in your bag, take it with you on a trip, and it does the same job as a bigger camera. And you don't have to keep carrying lots of lenses as well. I'll probably still take the 50mm lens with me for portrait things, but this for an everyday lens is absolutely great. Plastic mount on the bottom, and the rest of it is made of plastic as well. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels quite sturdy. It doesn't creak or groan or anything when you move it. It moves smoothly, and it's a little bit stiff, but it's new. I'm sure it'll loosen up over time. Okay, I'm going to take a few photographs of the lens so that you can see it on a camera. Now I'm going to be putting it on the Canon M6 Mark II. Canon M6 Mark II. I did a review of this a little while back, and I've been using it for the 4K uncropped on my channel. And I've just replaced it with the Canon EOS R so that I can record in 4K with a full frame sensor. Sorry, I was just checking that out. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the camera. It's not overpowering because it's got a small diameter. It's only a 55mm, and so it doesn't look ridiculous. It's very similar to the 50mm that I just took off with the adapter, the the EF 50mm Nifty 50. So it's not much difference in size. It's lighter in weight. Let's take the strap off. It's lighter in weight, and the whole thing is very light compared to something like a 5D Mark IV or something. Very light. Right, I'm going to take some pictures. I'm going to take some measurements first. So the lens is 9 centimeters long by 6 centimeters wide. 55mm filter thread on the front if you want to put a filter on. Okay, I'm just going to take a few pictures indoors and then I'll take some pictures outside for you. Okay, so it's got a nice short minimum focus distance. I'll measure that for you as well in a second. Okay, let's just check this out. Right, so it's right about there. Okay, I'm still measuring. Okay, that's nice and sharp. Let's just measure that quickly, let you know what the minimum is. I know it says it on the box, I know it says it online, but I like to do these things for myself. Right, 13 centimeters, so whatever it says elsewhere is incorrect. 18mm focal length will give you 13 centimeters or about 5.5 inches focal distance. Okay, let's snap a couple of shots. Right, so this is with the camera laying down, and I'll do one from above as well. There we are, from above. Those are on 18mm. Right, outside shots. This is the 18mm. Then we're going to go across to the 24mm, 35mm. I'm focusing in on that little yellow shop. 50mm, 70mm, 100mm. You can see it's slightly darkening because it's going up to that 6.3, and 150mm. And I'll zoom in on that as well. That's the maximum zoom, and then I'll color grade it. That's the best I can get that picture at 150mm. That's about half a mile or more distance. Right, some more outside shots. Just of a simple plant that I have on my balcony. As you can see, as you get a little bit closer, the bokeh comes in and it gets a little soft at 100. 150 is not the sharpest up close. My cat, as I'm coming back inside, happy to see me. Well, he was grumpy a bit. And finally my wife at 24mm.